One of the best premium features that you get if you happen to create openings is this thing called matches. In order to fully understand how matches works, we're going to switch over to the Spark app, which is the application for parents, so you get a chance to see what it looks like for them when they're working within Lucy's Circle. So here I am in the Spark application for parents. I'm inside the account for Emma Wilson. Now you can see if I scroll down, Emma Wilson has a family profile created for herself. She has the address where she lives, and then she has her own personal profile, and then she has a profile for her daughter. If we scroll up a little bit, we see that Emma Wilson has one opening. Let's click on this opening. An opening is a daycare request. This is Emma Wilson basically saying that Olivia, her daughter, is looking for a daycare opening starting on May 1st, 2026. The location she's looking for around is this one right here, which she set with a 15-kilometer radius. And the schedule she's looking for is full-time on weekdays at any drop-off and pickup time. And she's looking for one that has English as a required language. If we go back up, you see that there's a daycares near you where we provide a set of daycares that match both the location and the language and the request for what Emma and her daughter are looking for. Emma has the ability to preview each one of these, scroll down and see the availability section like the one we just completed. But more importantly, Emma has this matches tab. And for matches, similar to the Daycares app, Emma's going to get a list of daycares that have openings that match what she's looking for. So in this example, we have Little Acorn located in the downtown Vancouver area that has an opening announcement for a tour and for 2 spots starting on May 1st. So this is probably a good match for Emma. Emma can click right here to view the opening and get exactly the same kind of information that you were looking at when you were setting it up. Emma can also go up here, click the view profile, and she can start communication with you either by contacting you through phone, through email, or sending you a personal message. So there you go. That's what matches looks like on the other side. The intention behind this is that we make it as easy as possible for parents to make decisions about the daycares that match them, and then for you to make decisions about parents that match you. So let's go back to the view that we were looking at for the matches. These are the matches based on the openings that you have. You see right now, the profile that we were looking at, Emma Wilson, is actually a good match for the daycare that you have. It provides us the full information about why Emma might be a good match. It says that she's 89% a top fit based on the settings that she set up and based on the settings that you set up. It says Emma might be a good fit for the daycare in the downtown area and for these 2 programs that this daycare has, or for this other daycare that you have in Burnaby. Both fit her location and her radius. You also have many other different matches. You have Sophia, you have Ava, Olivia, and so on. So suppose we want to communicate with Emma and take it to the next step. What we could do is we could click right here and we could see her profile, see exactly what she was looking for, and the openings that are a good fit for her, and then we can start a chat with Emma. And you can see that the initial message is already filled in right away. We can also customize this and enter something different if we want. But the simple message is pretty good. Hello, we saw that you have a daycare request and think one of the openings that we have might be a good fit. Would you like to chat? We can send this request, and as you can see, we've sent a message request to Emma. All Emma has to do now is accept this message request and continue the conversation. That concludes everything that we're covering today about availability and openings and matches. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or leave them in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.